Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add link hover effect like this into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this view plan link, and when I hover over it you can see the border is slides in. So to add this effect you have to install unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. So let's log into your WordPress dashboard and install the plugin. Now here first of all you have to install a plugin. So go to your plugins and click on add new. Now here in the search bar search unlimited elements. Here you can see the unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has more than 100,000 plus active installations. I have already installed and activated it. As soon as you will activate it, it will take you to its settings. So let's go to its settings. In the menu sidebar, you can see the unlimited elements tab. You can click on the widgets to go to its settings. Now this is the settings page of the plugin. Here is the list of the widgets that you have to install, and then you can use them in the Elementor page builder. So here in the search bar search for link hover. Now this is the widget that I am going to use in this tutorial. So you will get an install button over it. So you have to install this widget first, and then you can use it in the Elementor page builder. So let's go to Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. Now here I will add this link hover effect. For this I will search in widgets link hover. Now this is the widget, drag it here. Now here you have to add link text. I will add view more. Now here is the styles. Now hover over the button you can see this border, but this is not clearly visible. So for this I will go to style and change the color of the text and border. So for the text I will make it white, and in typography I will increase the transformation to uppercase, and now I will change the hover color. I will add this color. So when you hover over it you can see the color was changed. Also for the border I will add same color. Now hover over the link and you can see it will look like that. Now I will apply other styles on it. So I will select this text fly in. Now you can see this cool hover animation over it. Also you have this dotted border. So when you hover over it you can see these 3 dots under it. You can also use text rollover, so it will look like that. So I think this is more perfect there. Now I will just update the page. After updating I will click on this I button to preview the changes. So here is your link hover over it and you can see this cool animation. That's how you can add link hover animation into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.